Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple way to make money online, the real way, the legitimate way, and the approved way that is making hundreds of dollars and even thousands of dollars for beginners. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. If you don't know me, my name is Lukman Memi and I have been in this business for over a decade. I have helped thousands of people. My training has guided and helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my people, some of the students who watched my training and took action has gone on to make multiple 6 figures, 7 figures, and they have become mentors and coach. If you follow my steps, your life is never going to be the same again. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new way to make money online. Now, this way of making money online is legit, approved, and you can make thousands of dollars in commissions doing this. And I'm going to show you how to do it using the approved way and how it's all done. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment for me. And if you're willing to work one-on-one with me, you want me to help you one-on-one, and you want me to give you the exact system that I'm promoting that's making $900 commissions for newbies and beginners who's never made a dime online over and over again, then just leave a comment and I will be more than happy to help you out, set up your business so you are ready to rock and roll. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so you can see here that I am on a website which is a domain register website. Okay, a domain register where you register domain and website addresses like www.yourwebsite.com. Okay, now people buy websites and people buy web addresses from this domain name. But what about if I showed you a way that you can do this to actually flip and make thousands of dollars every single month on completely autopilot? What do I mean by autopilot? I mean is you buy these kind of small hidden domain names for very, very cheap and flip it for thousands of dollars by listing it on free websites. Okay, proved websites, free websites, and premium websites where the auction price and the market price is like thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you a quick example on how this is all done, and then at the end of the video I'm going to give you something special that you can use to get access to these domain names done for you, so you don't have to do the manual research. You don't have to go into like Namecheap and other domain registrar and start searching up, because this could take hours, sometimes even days, for you to find these hidden gems, hidden domain names where you can purchase it and register for like for $5, $6, $7, and then flip it for thousands of dollars. It's a very tedious work. If you go to do it manual, it's going to take you hours, sometimes even days, sometimes even weeks, because it's not just about you finding the domain, the website address for cheap, but actually you have to go and check what is it worth. So if the domain you're buying is for $7, but it's not worth thousands of dollars, it's worth $7, then what is the benefit of you buying that domain? You want to buy a website address, a domain that is going to be worth, that is buying price is right now currently like $5, $10, $15, but it's worth $1,000 plus. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm just going to type in a single domain, something like, let's just put, let's see if this domain is available. Okay, and I guess it's going to be available. All right, so I could see this domain is available. All right, so if I come here, I could see it's going to cost me about £7. This is reflecting my currency because I'm based in UK. So if I come here, it's telling me it's costing me £7.42 per year. Alright, so I'm going to go to another domain registrar, and I'm going to type in the same domain, and I want to do some search on this domain registrar to see what price are they going to offer me, and are they going to tell me if it's worth anything. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and I could see here that, check this out, this domain is going to cost me for the first year 1 pence, but with a 3-year term, which means then after that it's just going to be £18 per year, not per month, per year. But guess what? Check this out. Look what it says here. This is a great domain. Why? It's a high value keyword that has an average sale price of £1,673. You know what does this mean? This means I can buy this domain, okay, this domain for just £7 and then flip it for £1,673. Now bear in mind, remember this, I am giving you the golden nugget here. You are looking at two things. Number one, you're looking at the domain website address price. That's number one. What is important? Make sure it's cheap. You're buying it for cheap. If this was like £100, £200, in your case, just say $200, $300, you don't want to buy it. You're looking for a domain name that is going to be cheap. Okay? So the buying price is below $20. Number two, you want to see what is the value of that domain. Now, if the value of that domain was the same as the buying price, then you don't want to buy it because you're not going to be able to make money with it. So what you're doing is you're buying a website address for very, very cheap. Then you're going to check the value of that domain. And if you see that that domain has a very good value and a very good price to it, guess what? Buy it, because that means you can flip it. So in this case, I just took one domain, okay? I could buy this for £7. In your case, it's going to be $11 if you're buying it from United States. And then guess what? I could put it on a free listing website, which you're going to get access to in a moment. I just told you at the end, I'm going to give you something very special, which you're going to get access to, and you can sell this for £1,673. It's so powerful, isn't it? Okay, so powerful. Now check this out. Okay, let's just take another domain name and let's just look into this. So I've got another domain here. I found one. So mybaseline.com. Okay, so now I've just removed one of these spellings here, which is the A. Okay, so I removed that, and with that I could see that the domain price is going to be £7.42. But when I come into GoDaddy, I could see here that this same domain is worth £1,595. So I could buy it for £7 and flip it for £1,595. This is what you're looking for. First, you're looking for a domain that's cheap to buy. Second, you're looking at what is it valued of. If it's valued with the same price, or it doesn't have no value, you don't want to buy it. Okay? Because if you go and buy it, you're not going to make any money. Now imagine having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 of these domain hidden gems on your silver plate. You bought it, you purchased it very, very cheap, and you flip it on these free listing websites for a high value price. Do you think you can make money? Of course you can. You can make a lot of money. But there's one problem here. What's the problem? The problem is that if you go into these domain registrar and start searching any kind of random words and start doing this, it's going to take you hours. It can take you even days, because you're not just looking at the domain price, you're looking at the market price value of that domain too. It has to be worth something. So if you're going to buy it for $5, $7, it has to be worth at least $500, $600 for you to make money. If it's not worth that, you could list that domain on hundreds of websites. You're not going to make any money. Okay, it's not worth anything. So you're looking for two things. Okay, one is cheap price domain, and then the value should be high. Now, what about if there was a system, a program that does everything for you, automated? It gives you hundreds of these hidden website addresses and domain twice a week for you to purchase very, very cheap. And then you can flip it on these high value free listing websites with a market price value of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and even $5,000. Would you be interested? Would you be interested? If you answered yes, I have some great news for you. There's a website address popping up right on the screen right now. Open up a new browser, go to this website address right now, okay? Go to this website address and you're going to come to a page, okay? A page where you're going to watch a video which is approximately 15 minutes. That video is going to explain everything about this whole program, alright? This whole system. And at the end, you're going to get $200 worth of a free domain just on your silver plate given to you for you to register immediately. That could make you a minimum $200. How cool is that? Okay, website address popping up. Go to this website address and let me show you the members area. Okay, now if you go to do this manual, it's going to take you hours and days and weeks. But what about if there was something that does all the heavy lifting for you, plus gives you all the training on how to list a website address, how to list your domain name with a done for you template that looks professional and anyone could go and purchase it, how to actually get these domains, hundreds of hidden gems which you can purchase for $5, $7, $10, $13, and even $20 and flip it for $4,000. Okay, so let me show you the members area. Once you get access to this program, okay, website address popping up right on the screen. Once you get access to this website program, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, here's the members area, full training given to you. Okay, so this is the tutorial, this is the training, and look at these domains. These are all the domains, twice updated. Okay, every week. Every week this is updated twicely. So you twice a week this is updated with hundreds of hidden gems, hidden domain names that you can purchase for $5, $10, and even $5, $10, anything less than $20, and then flip it for thousands of dollars. And I'm just going to give you one quick example here. Okay, so let me just show you. So check this out. This domain is already taken, okay? This domain is already taken. But if I go to the valuation page, okay? And when I click on the valuation page, now this domain is only worth $7. Purchase price for this domain is $7. But guess what? You can flip this website domain for $4,000, $3,000. Let's just check this, okay? So let me click on valuation. Check this out. The estimated market price is $3,000. $3,000, my friend. $3,000. We are only interested in the auction estimation, marketplace estimation, not the broker sale estimation. This domain is only $7. It's already been taken. But if this wasn't taken, you would be able to purchase it for just $7 and then flip it for $3,000. Because that's the marketplace value. And the auction is minimum $260. Now imagine having about 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 domains like this. Imagine having 100 domains like this, buying it for very cheap and then flipping it for free on free listing websites for thousands of dollars. With a program and a system that's giving you all these domains twice a week, so you don't have to do the manual research on this and just buy the domain for cheap and start flipping it. Would you be interested? If you answered yes, go right now on this website, open up a new browser, go to this website address and go and watch the 15-minute video that's going to explain everything. I don't know how long this system is going to be available, so you've got a chance, an opportunity that's come right on your way. Okay, it's your opportunity to take it. If you don't blame me. If you do, you're going to thank me later and you're going to pray for me that I made a great decision accessing this program and this system. These type of opportunities do not come all the time. So go here, watch the 15-minute free video. I will have all the links in my description box below this video. I will pin the link in the comment section box below this video as well. Make sure you check it out as soon as possible, because you're not going to find these type of opportunities again. Okay, a way for you to buy something for just $7 or $10 and flip it for thousands of dollars. I hope this is something that has given you a lot of value. I normally don't come up with these type of videos, but I believe in this program, I believe in this system, and I believe that this is a life-changing opportunity.